I'm entering 356 McRae, Suite 501, penthouse level in this lovely boutique building. You'll see there's a front entrance foyer, lots of room for putting on your shoes, for furniture. There's a double hall closet, great area for greeting guests, and it's got nice plush broadloom throughout. And here we are entering the main area, and you'll notice a very convenient large, extra large laundry room for full-size machines, which is unique in a condominium. And we're going to be entering into the master suite right now. So here we are in the nice master, lots of room for big furniture. There's windows throughout. This is like a corner suite, lots and lots of natural light, and you'll see this master also includes a nice walk-in closet, which is a big bonus for double wardrobes, and a very large ensuite bathroom. So it's got a big soaker tub, extra large vanity, great space for having a shower, and then I'll take you into the living room dining